Galen, co-founder of Brooklyn SolarWorks. With my Chase Inc. Business Premier Card, I get unlimited 2.5% cash back on purchases of $5,000 or more. So everything we buy to run our solar business gives us cash back that we put back into the neighborhood, donating solar panels to community gardens.
Chase Inc. Cash back built for every business. Find the right card at chase.com/inc. Real business owner compensated for the participation. Cards issued by JP Morgan Chase Bank and member of FDIC, subject to credit report. Terms apply. To the IRS, almost $15,000. I tried to make payments. The IRS wasn't satisfied with Eric's efforts, so they took care of Eric's problem. I owe $15,000 and my data's clean. I don't owe anything. Take Eric's advice. If you have a tax problem, you need to call Optima Tax now. Call Optima Tax Relief for a free consultation. Call 800-816-7922. That's 800-816-7922. 800-816-7922. Optima Tax Relief. Actual client compensated for sharing their experience. Some restrictions apply. Visit OptimaTaxRelief.com for details.
Wake up, get out of bed.
Wake up with the morning hustle. Weekdays starting at 6.
Why not wake up?
Boy, hip hop and R&B for the DMV is on. 93.9 WKYS.